Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to hook up this Super Rack and its reinforcement system to your Sea-Doo. The Sea-Doo I'm using today is mine, and it's a 2023 GTX 230. If you don't happen to have the same ski I do, that's okay. I will put information in the description box down below on which Sea-Doos that you can hook up this Super Rack system to. So let's get started. Okay, here's the reinforcement system for the Super Rack. Here's the back support and the reinforcement plate. It comes with all of the hardware that you need to get everything fully installed. So I'll show you how to do that as soon as we get the Super Rack in. Okay, so you're gonna be needing a 1/2" box wrench, or you can even use your 1/2" ratchet. And also you're gonna need a 1/4" hex to get the system installed. So let's get started. So the Super Rack is all set up, ready to get hooked into your LINQ system. And you'll see that right here. So let's get that hooked up to the LINQ system. And right here, you'll see that it'll lock right in. All right, that's step number one for getting the Super Rack set up into your LINQ system. Now let's go ahead and set up the reinforcement parts to the Super Rack. Okay, so if that isn't sturdy enough already, here is the back support for your Super Rack. And I'm gonna show you how to hook that up right now. And it's gonna go right here on the back of the Super Rack. I'll show you how to hook that up. This is going to plug right in right here on the back of the Super Rack. So we're going to go ahead and place that right inside there. And then we're going to secure it from the other side. Okay, using the hardware that it comes with, we're just going to get it secured from here. Slip those on. This one I've already done. We'll just tighten that down a little bit hand tight, and then we'll get everything tightened down. Okay, using a 1/2", let's tighten it down. Okay, that's all set. Next is going to be the U-shackle. Here's your U-shackle and bolt. So these are going to slip right in. And then we'll take the bolt and we'll tighten that down. And then just use your 1/4" hex. To get that all set and secure. All right, so the reinforcement plate again goes right up against the Super Rack and locks into the ski. And we'll lock one right here. And let's go get the other side locked. And it fits right in to the back of the Super Rack. I'm gonna go ahead and put in our hardware. Okay, we're gonna use the hardware supplied. And then we're going to get it tightened down. And that's all set. All right, it's that easy. Let's take a quick look. Let's get the rear seat on so you can see what it looks like. All right, there you go. Check it out. Okay, so to remove the Super Rack, it is very easy. Let me show you how to do that. And from the back, we'll take off the U-shackle. So from the back, we'll just unlatch it here. And here. And here. Ready to take it off. So everything is disconnected, and here's a cool tip about taking off the Super Rack. Once everything is disconnected, you can actually leave on this reinforcement brace right here and store it away. So there's no need to put on and take off this part right here. So that keeps it super simple. Then when you're done, just put away your LINQ system. And that's it. All right, everyone, that is it. Thank you very much for watching the install on the Super Rack. My name is Derek. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and thank you for watching.